So, hi, dear Scorpio. A very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. And if it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. This is a reading from 16 till the 22nd of December for those who are in complete no contact, no communication, and wants to know what's going on the other side. Okay, now if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. Okay, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out my website and you can book your slot accordingly. So let's start. Scorpio, the person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Five of Wands, the Seven of Cups, and the Ten of Wands. Oh my God. Emotionally confused, mentally stressed out, not able to understand what the hell is going on. There's no love in this situation right now. There's a lot of chaos, lot of drama, lot of emotional confusion, lot of stress. And the more they're trying to fix the situation within themselves, the more it is becoming more chaotic for them to fix. Wow. This is someone who's going through a lot of mental, trauma, mental and emotional kind of turmoil and stressful energies, chaos and conflict and whatnot. They are under a lot of stress right now at this present moment regarding whatever happened or whatever is happening between you guys. And they're feeling like they should drop the situation, but emotionally and mentally, they're not able to drop it. God, going through a lot at the same time. Maybe some other factors, other areas of their life are also messed up right now, and it's adding the fuel to this situation as well. But they are supremely and extremely under stressful energies right now at this present moment. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Four of Wands, Six of Cups, and the Ace of Swords. See, this person wants to have a reconciliation with you. They want to clear the air with you in such a manner that they want this connection as it used to be at some point of time. Maybe you guys were married to each other or you guys were committed to each other. But at some point of time, this connection was very beautiful, very stable, and you guys were very much in love with each other. Now this person definitely wants to bring that kind of love, that kind of energy back to the situation as it used to be at some point of time, and they're very sure about it. So they want to clear the air with you, they want to have a brand new beginning with you, they want to sort it out with you, and they want to bring the stability and happiness and love back to the situation as it used to be at some point of time. Very good intentions, very beautiful intentions. Emotionally, they are very stressed out, messed up. In their intentions, they're pretty sure, pretty clear that they want it back as it used to be. In their actions, I don't see any kind of action because they're not able to see the clear picture of the future between you guys. There is a lot of regret, guilt, and or anger or resentment attached to this situation. So that is why this person is not able to think anything about it, about the situation. So it's like they want it, but they don't know how to deal with this. That is why this person is kind of trying to keep themselves at a distance from you, because even if they want it, they're not able to see the clear picture of the situation between you guys. They're not able to find a way to clear the path, to clear the misunderstanding, or to clear whatever is happening. And they're like tremendous pressure. I don't know what kind of pressure they're feeling. Like, it's not about this situation only. They might be going through multiple issues in their time, in their life at the same time, and this whole situation is also adding to the already messed up life that they are messed up situation that they're going through in their lifetime, in their life right now at this present moment. So I don't see any kind of action, because it's not like they don't want to, but they don't have any kind of clue about how to do that. Wow. Okay. Wow. My goodness. I can literally feel this person's energy in my gut right now, where they're tremendously under pressure, under stress all the time, and they don't know what to do. Guidance for you guys, the Knight of Swords. Okay, if you can sort it out from your side, honey, please do that. But mindfulness. Use mindfulness, and it's like, take it slow. You might have the tendency to attack this person, from time to time. This, you did that, you did this. Okay, try to calm down and talk to this person as a human, as human to human. even if they did something wrong with you, even if you did something wrong with them, try to talk to this person on a human level, on a soul level, and try to understand the dynamic of this connection, and then make the final decision if it is possible from your side. If not, if you have done everything possible from your side, then you can just keep moving ahead and wait for this person to reach out, not desperately, because I do see this person reaching out to you at some point of time, but it's going to take them a lot of time actually. So keep moving ahead, wait for this person to reach out if you have a if you guys have the, what we call that energy of resolving this with them. If not, just let it go and move on. Simple. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.